My Nigerian people, I don't bring no bonga Bishop news story. My name Nandehi. Make a sharply yarn on a son to the website. It just happened. The Ogbonge human activists will be arresting Guam show on top this video as some Omila kidnappers. The website they try one kidnap one man. We won't drive enter inside the house. But with the help of in gate man, we sharply and quickly take close the gate. We make the kidnappers they do not confit. They kidnap the man. And this big happen for inside Ogwashuku, Delta State.
Good morning, my name is Sen Shehu. This video you're about to watch now is Ogwashuku. Alright? Alright. Kudos to the gate man first. The gate man who was able to lock the gate. Now you see.
Now be small something as they catch this Nigerian man we go set two Nigerian guests they way based for Libya for 900,000 naira as they go use the guests them for organ harvesting. And as some Nigerians they will say they base for Libya, now they provoke come catch the man as they come the question
How much you said there? How many people?
That yellow girl.
Okay. Now he said both of them.
For your hand, I don't know this also.
Scott Iguma wey be say they drag P1 real estate company don't come out come the talk say P1 group they threaten members of their families as in come the talk say if anything happen to them or members of their families them say make the whole P1 group as in come out to come the talk come play this voice note too wey be say in sister they send to them say P1 real estate company they threaten her and now on Tuesday will be July 29, 2025 9 Scott Iguma come out come yarn this talk.
That my sister sent to me.
Hello, Scott. Good evening. This P1 stuff is really getting serious. So they have been calling me. I am so scared. They've been calling my husband. Now they're even calling sister and her husband as well. These people, they know where we are staying because they traced us from the church we're attending together. Please, Scott, I don't know what they want. I don't know. I am so scared.
This Nigerian man don't compose this video as some Ekoloba police officers them won't try to harass and do everything they pass for road you say because they suspect him to be Yahoo boy. And on Monday, July 28, 2025, now impose this video as in they challenge the Ekoloba police officers there.
Why they harass me for road? What did I do when they harass me for road? When they harass me, tell me say they video me. If na Yahoo, you no go do am. If na Yahoo, you no go do am.
The Imo State Governor will be Opus Odema Dokon host some Nigerian female football team. There will be Super Falcons that will come from inside Imo State. And for inside the government house where they for Owerri. Now then he host them and their names na Chiamaka, Nnadozie, Osinachi Ohale, Tochukwu Oluehi, Jennifer Echejile and Anam Imo. The Ogbonge Nigerian musician will be Charles Oputa aka Charlie Boy aka Area Father don't come out Konde Yane as they take name in name with bus stop waiting for inside Bagada area. As in come the talk, say na Drew will be say in get one hit song when he sing during that 1990 something. As in they do good work and also to help people the less privileges them for that area for Bagada area when they stay that time. Say na so they can carry in name. They give the bus stop for the good work we be say in they do. And they come at Koyan this talk on Top Channels Television.
Once upon a time, I used to live in a bus stop. To name a bus stop after me because honestly, I did contribute to that community. Both the military pensioners, the Okada riders, any young person, I gave scholarships out and stuff like that.
Senator Shehu Sani don't send message they give youth the way they for Nigeria. I think when they tell they say they don't say the people there we say they for government today and those ones that we say they for opposition party. Say for inside 1999, say now the same this set of people there now they contest to enter inside office as some of them also rule them for inside that 1999. And so when they talk say may youth them may they not they waste their time on top social media or they comment for comment sessions there. Say may they come out to contest for election and also made a make sure say they go rule this Nigeria, put them for better place. In here and this talk on Tuesday, July 29, 2025 on top in social media. The Lagos Ekoloba police talk person will be CSP Benjamin Hunde don't come show these three people the way Ekoloba police officers them arrest. As they come talk, say police officers stop these two girls them come talk say they want search their bag. As they come search their bag, come see semi-automated pistol gun for inside their bag. And now the Ekoloba police division as they come carry them, come go arrest one of them husband the way get the gun. And on top in X handle on Tuesday, July 29, 2025, 9 come at Konya and this talk. The Ondo State Global Police Command don come arrest this lady wey her name be Augustine Omowari wey go by her boyfriend wey be Michael Ekwodowoni for inside Okitipupa community for Okitipupa local government area of Ondo State. And now the boyfriend when he talk say the boyfriend dey cheat on her, na him make her take provoke, take chook the boy, take Ufpai on Sunday wey be July 27, 2025. The South African Global Police don come arrest 27-year-old woman wey go burn her ex-boyfriend house wey dey for inside Limpopo, South Africa, and this gbege happen for Steve Biko phase 4 for inside Villa Nora policing area on Friday wey be July 25th, 2025 around that kind 5 p.m. President Bola Ahmed Tinubu don come give national honor of Officer of the Order of the Niger and 2-bedroom apartment each, and also cash of $100,000 each, will be about 150 million naira to the 24 Super Falcons players, and also $50,000 to the technical crew them. And on Monday, will be July 28, 2025, after the Super Falcons them come back from Morocco after they don't win the AFCON Cup.
There is a cash award of the naira equivalent of $100,000 each. For the 24 players.
The Edo State Global Police Command don come out come talk say they go touchlight this video wey they see for on top social media where some Edo State vigilante then they beat one Edo State politician wey be Honorable Okai Ohani for inside Awuchi Esako West local government area on Saturday wey be July 26, 2025.
Yes, na Bishop News O'Clock. My name is Nehi. Make una enjoy your day.